Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys a fairly quick video. This is the GoPro Hero 10. If you guys want to use it as a dash cam for your own car instead of buying an actual dash cam on Amazon or wherever, if you have a GoPro, it'll work. So if you have a GoPro 9, 10, I'm sure a GoPro 8, and all the way till 7, I think, this should work. So just go ahead and follow the steps that I am showing you guys right now. And it's fairly simple. So what you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and turn your GoPro on, of course. And so you're going to want to select a profile, okay? So go ahead and click Basic. That's the one that you guys should be on, or any one that you created a profile. So as you guys can see, all the different profiles here: active, cinematic, ultra slow. I got my standard. That's the one I usually use when I'm recording out in the wilderness or just outdoors. And I got my looping. So my looping is the one for my dash cam. So that's the one I just used when this is in my car. And I'm going to show you guys how to actually add one. So as you can see, there is no add button anywhere at the bottom or whatever. So if you guys don't know how to add it, it's fairly simple. It took me a couple of tries to actually... took me a bit of time to actually know how to add it, because I thought it was going to be all the way at the bottom, a plus or whatever, but it's actually all the way at the top to the right with this this little icon here at the top right, and you click it and you'll see a plus button, and you can delete or restart your profiles here, but we don't want to do that. We want to go ahead and add a looping video. Okay, so we're going to press the plus right here, and you're going to get two options here saying video or looping. Now we don't want video, we want looping, because what looping is going to do is once you start recording in your car, if your storage is getting too full from all that dash cam footage that you're recording, it'll actually overwrite the last video of what you don't really need. If there was no car accident or any injuries or whatever, it's going to go ahead and overwrite the last video of your recording. So it's good. You won't have to delete and format the card. It'll just overwrite it. So that's all good. Now we want to make sure our res is 1080. You guys could put it at 4K, but you really don't need it. You can see just perfectly fine with 1080, 60, or 30, whatever you guys want. You can even put it to 120 on the Hero 10, but I'm just going to keep it at default 1080, 60. And we're going to go back, and this is what you guys want to make sure. Your lens, you want it to be on... it could be on wide depending on where you're going to put your dash cam, but if it's going to be right in front of your car window, like the most majority of people that are going to be doing this, you're going to want it on super view mode, just so it can get that full view. I think it's 170 or 180 POV view, so it's very wide angle. You can be able to see everything that's happening on your left and right in the video. So I suggest just keeping on super view, but if you don't want, you can just keep it on wide. Anything lower than that I don't recommend, just because you won't be able to see as much. So I'm going to keep mine on super view, and we're going to go back, and you guys could fiddle around here with it whatever you want. The interval, you can select it as 5 minutes, or we're going to actually put this to, yeah, the lowest is 5. I thought it would have been 2, but 5 minutes is perfect. So if you're reviewing your video on your computer, just skip a bit to wherever that accident or whatever happened is. So any higher than that you don't really need, because you don't want to be scrolling through the whole video. You want it just a small little clip of what happened, you know. So 5 minutes is perfect. We'll leave it as that. Hyper smooth, I do suggest keeping it on, yeah, you can keep it on standard, or you could boost it. Really doesn't really matter, because it's going to be mounted to the review mirror or wherever you guys are putting it, the front window. So it should be pretty smooth. GoPro has very stable footage, so you don't have to really worry about that. But again, you can just fiddle around with this, but I'm just showing you the basics of the settings. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you can add your dash cam, your GoPro as a dash cam. And if this did help you, go ahead and smash a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Really help out and do more of these videos. Suggest some stuff down below on what I should do. And if this did help you, again, just take a quick time to just like up the video. Thanks, guys. And I hope this did help. Hope you guys have a great day and take care.